Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanju and welcome to my channel English with Sanju. In tonight's video, I've just tried to find out the meaning of like and share. It's not just the meaning of those words that I'm trying to convey. Mostly, what I'm trying is you should know how to like or share on Facebook. Like is simply when you like a picture, you have a thumbs up, like, and share it when you think it's worthy of being forwarded. The rest of the video is a read video, so keep reading it, and there is nothing more to understand. You can like content as well, and like is also used a lot of times when Facebook uses it for its users. Other one, it says the open textbook in the difference between share and like, and can play a major role in adding, detracting value from item being shared. Shares an item, it appears on their Facebook wall and is broadcasted to all their friends via the Facebook newsfeed. I hope the video was useful for you. Please like, comment for suggestions and feedback. Share it with every person